Hey you guys, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I wanted to show you guys how I prep my nails for YouTube videos. It's going to be really easy. A 1, 2, 3 video. Actually, it's not going to be long at all. But I got a couple questions asking about how I do my nails so often. Guys, nails being brittle because you guys are constantly doing your nails so much. If you are a content creator, you guys know you have to push out a lot of content. And sometimes you kind of just want to do it on yourself and not on the mannequin hands. So my little secret is this. I'm not even gonna say a secret because I feel like I mention it all the time in my videos. I use this brand called UNT Ready for Takeoff. This is what it looks like. This is a peel off base coat. It is bomb, you guys, and I looked on Amazon and it is actually sold out. So this might mean I need to get one for my own on my website. Let me know, guys, if you would purchase it. So we're just gonna jump right in really quick. I'm just gonna show you what my nails look like prior to adding the nails off. I'm gonna do my nails not in this video, but I did do my nails for a set, and then I'm gonna show you how I remove them. This is the current state of what my nails are looking like. I always leave a small amount of gel on it, whether it's a base gel or a little bit of hard gel. I do try to prep my nails prior to even doing anything, just so it looks a little bit more cleaner, you know, my cuticle and all that good stuff. So before adding anything, again, I do go in and I cleanse the surface of my nails with my nail cleanser. This is going to just remove any kind of dust that I have on it, once again, just to try to make them look a little bit more cleaner for, you know, YouTube. So I'm gonna go in with the UNT peel off base coat, and this is an air dry base coat. You don't need a lamp. It actually cures relatively fast. So all I do is I add a small layer. Once again, once I do my nails for videos, I like to just take them off right after. I do a good decent amount, like a layer, and I let that air dry. If you want your nails to last longer, what I would kind of suggest you do, and if you did want to use this, what I would suggest you do is when you are prepping your nails, you're gonna go ahead and remove the entire shine from the surface of your nails, and then you would go in and apply a thin layer of this, and I mean like super thin. But for this particular video that I did just go in and I just add a good amount, because like I said, I'm gonna pop them off right after. If you add a very thin layer of this, let it air dry, it will honestly last you a couple of days, and then you'll still be able to pop it off right after. But like I said, I'm removing this right after I did this video, so I did go ahead and I just added a decent amount, and it takes longer obviously if you're adding more versus less. So I do go ahead and I set a timer for you guys just to show you how long it physically took to air dry. I think it took like a minute. Obviously if you put less, it will take like a few seconds. It wouldn't take as a full minute, but it depends on what you guys want to use the peel off base coat for. You could also kind of see how it looks here. This is at the 50 mark, and it almost looks like not a full matte. It has a slight little shine to it, but that's how you could tell that it's fully dry. It doesn't look super shiny, and you are ready to go and do your nails right after this point. So as you know, in many of my videos, you'll see me starting off at this point showing you the tips that I'm going to use and applying it directly with my rubber base gel. And once again, when you are applying your peel off base coat, you do kind of want to make sure you're wrapping around that free edge, because what happens is the base gel, when you're applying your full or your half tip, the gel sometimes goes underneath your nail. So you kind of want to make sure you're wrapping the peel off base coat on the free edge, so when you do pop off your nails, it's not getting attached to the underneath part of your nail, because you have that peel off base coat and it'll kind of just like pop off at once. So once I go ahead and I add my tips, I do my nails as normal. I try to avoid kind of falling into the base gel, not the base gel, the peel off base gel, because You don't want to remove that the peel off base coat and then accidentally adhere the hard gel product to your natural nails, because then it'll be extremely hard to remove. So yeah, so this is the set that I did for this video. This was the Libra nail design. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It came out so freaking cute. But right here, all I'm showing you is right after I did that video, after I recorded, all I gotta do is just pull it off and it pops right off. Easy peasy, 1 2 3. Like I said, if you do a thinner layer, it's gonna be harder to pop off, but I think the thumb I did a little bit thinner consistency, but it popped off easy. My nails aren't damaged. I can go ahead right in and do another set if I wanted to. All I have to do is go back in with my UNT ready for takeoff. Honestly, I think I'm gonna come out with my own. I don't know, I think I use this so much. I think I need my own brand, right? My own peel off. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that is it. This is what the nails physically look like inside. And honestly, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and just glue these things right back onto my nails if I wanted to continue wearing it, because it is the shape of my nail. How cool is that, right? So I could use these as press-ons if I wanted to. All I would have to do is just clean up the inside a little bit and we are good to go. But that is how I do my nails for the video, how I prep it, and how I can easily just take them off, pop them off if I want to. I like to take these nails as well, and I have like a little box that I kind of stand them up, and I could just go back to these nails and refer to them just to look at my progress, what they look like, all the designs that I created. And yeah, that is it. I hope this kind of helps you guys. If you are somebody who is trying to start your own YouTube channel and you want to use your own nails, get a peel off base coat. I know some people use like oil to do it, and they do like extra steps, like they'll put oil, then they'll put a base gel on, a regular base gel on. I don't know, I don't do all the extra stuff. All I use is this is good enough. It air dries, it peels off 1 2 3, and I don't have to worry about anything else. So this is how I do it. Like I said, other people do it differently. You can go to their channel and see how they do it. I don't know, but this is how I do it, and it works for me. Let me know if you guys tried this, if you want to try it. Let me know what you think about me coming out with my own. And that is it for this video. I hope this helps some of you on your nail journey, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Before I officially end this video, I want to give a huge shout out to every single one of you that is subscribed to my channel. I am finally at 40,000 subscribers, and I am so excited. I am just like blown away with all the support from you guys. I truly appreciate it. And to say thank you, I want to do a giveaway. Unfortunately, YouTube likes to delete comments. I don't know why, so I am gonna hold this giveaway over on Instagram. All of the details will be listed there. It is open to all, and once again, I just want to thank every single one of you who has supported me this far. You guys are truly amazing. You guys are bomb. I love y'all so much. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it with other, your nail friends or even nail communities that you think will help them also on their nail journey. And now the video is officially over. Love you guys.